Hi friends, welcome back to Jain Info channel. In this video, we will cover Indian Army Soldier General Duty question and answers. There will be three parts. Part 1 is general knowledge, second part is general science, third part is mathematics. So we'll start part 1 general knowledge. First question, which is the deepest ocean in the world? Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Arabian Sea. Answer, Pacific Ocean. What is the term for a member of the Rajya Sabha? 5 years, 4 years, 2 years, 6 years. Answer, 6 years. Who was the first Indian to be appointed President of the International Court of Justice? Nagendra Singh, Bhagat Singh, Dr. Hadziar, none of these. Answer, Nagendra Singh. Which day is observed as Human Rights Day? 24th October, 4th July, 10th December, none of these. Answer, 10th December. Students, if you know the answer, please put the comments. India's biggest multi-purpose river valley project is Hirakud, Bakranangal, Damodar Valley, none of these. Answer, Bakranangal. In which state is Sanchi Stupa situated? In which state is Sanchi Stupa situated? Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Maharashtra. Answer, Madhya Pradesh. Each one teach one program relates to adult education, regular education, non-formal education, awakened citizen. Answer, adult education. When was Shimla Pact between India and Pakistan inked? 1955, 1971, 1962, 1972. Answer, 1972. The river Mahanadi originates from Raipur, Patna, Ujjain, Dehradun. Answer, Raipur. Who was written the book Anand Math? Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, Abdul Fazal, Kalidas, Sarath Chandra Chatterjee. Answer, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Dash is the author of Meghdut? Kalidas, Tulsidas, Kautilya, Vedvyas. Answer, Kalidas. Which is the largest planet of the solar system? Jupiter, Mercury, Venus, none of these. Answer, Jupiter. Which of these is not part of our parliament? President, Lok Sabha, Chief Justice, none of these. Answer, Chief Justice. Where did Ashoka fight his last battle? Malaya, Kalinga, Cochin, none of these. Answer, Kalinga. Gautam Buddha was born in 563 BC, 472 BC, 627 BC, none of these. Answer, none of these. Arjuna Award is given to outstanding sportspersons, poets, scientists, actors. Answer, outstanding sportspersons. The main city of Kashmir Valley is Pathankot, Srinagar, Kupwara, none of these. Answer, Srinagar. Dash is known as the land of midnight sun. Japan, Switzerland, Norway, none of these. Answer, Norway. Satyameva Jayate has been taken from Mandak Upanishad, Rigveda, Natya Sutra, Samaveda. Answer, Mandak Upanishad. Chilka Lake is situated in Orissa, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, none of these. Answer, Orissa. Capital of Mizoram is Aizawl, Shillong, Impal, none of these. Answer: Aizawl. Bihu is the traditional dance of which state? Bihar, Assam, Punjab, none of these. Answer: Assam. London is situated in the bank of Dash River. James, Thames, Thames, Thames. Answer: Thames. By using a map, you can find distance, direction, altitude, all of these. Answer: all of these. Which is the Supreme Commander of Armed Forces? Chief Justice of Supreme Court, Speaker of Lok Sabha, President of India, none of the above. Answer: President of India. Which is the deepest ocean in the world? Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arabian Ocean, none of these. Answer: Pacific Ocean. India liberated Goa from the Portuguese in 1947, 1965, 1961, 1960. Answer: 1961. Paris is situated on the bank of river Seine, Thames, Volga, none of these. Answer: Seine. National Botanical Garden is situated in which city? Lucknow, Rewa, Jaipur, none of these. Answer: none of these. What is N1H1? Cough, bird flu, swine flu, none of these. Answer: none of these. Part 2, General Science. Following questions will be from General Science. What is the heartbeat rate of a young healthy man? 50 times, 72 times, 108 times, none of these. Answer: 72 times. Brain is responsible for thinking, balancing the body, both A and B or only A? Answer: both A and B, thinking and balancing the body. Blood is purified by lungs, intestines, kidney, none of these. Answer: kidney. Which is used in thermometer to show the temperature? Lead, mercury, silver, none of these. Answer: mercury. Dash set of animals are cold-blooded? Crow, earthworm, frog, frog, crow, whale, penguin, salamander, monkey, rohu, frog, cobra. Answer: rohu, frog, cobra. Solar eclipse occur when? Earth comes between sun and moon. Moon comes between sun and earth during crisis. Sun comes between moon and earth. Answer: moon comes between sun and earth. Good conductor of electricity is glass, paper, copper, none of these. Answer: copper. Beriberi is caused due to deficiency of vitamin A, B, C or D. Answer: B. ATP is adenosine tetraphosphate, adenine triphosphate, adenosine triphosphate, none of these. Answer: adenine triphosphate. Which law was put forth by Ernst Haeckel? Law of inheritance, the Biogenetic law, law of dominance, law of segregation. Answer: the Biogenetic law. The melting point of ice is 100 degrees Celsius, 4 degrees Celsius, 0 degrees Celsius, 5 degrees Celsius. Answer: 4 degrees Celsius. Hemoglobin is found in vein, urine, blood, AIDS. Answer: blood. The nucleus of an atom consists of electrons and neutrons, electrons and protons, protons and neutrons, neutrons only. Answer: protons and neutrons. A mixture of metal dissolved in mercury is known as amalgam, alloy, mercury salt, solution. Answer: amalgam. The formula of ammonium chloride is. Answer: NH4Ci. Rusting of iron is a physical change, chemical change, biochemical change, electrochemical change. Answer: chemical change. Penicillin is a antibiotic, fats, enzymes, proteins. Answer: antibiotic. The male and female genes in the flower are called ova and zygote, pollen, pupa, sperms. Answer: pollen. Which is the fundamental particle that constitutes an atom other than the proton and electron? Neuron, photon, neutron, anon. Answer: neuron. Dash is not a compound. Air, steel, water, brass. Answer: air. The most important ore of aluminium is bauxite, calamine, calcite, galena. Answer: bauxite. What is laughing gas? Carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, hydrogen peroxide, or nitrous oxide? Answer: nitrous oxide. The gas used to extinguish fire is neon, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide. Answer: carbon dioxide. The mammal which lay eggs is bat, kangaroo, squirrel, duck-billed platypus. Answer: duck-billed platypus. Laparoscopy is connected with radars, science of tissues, study of laser beams, gynecological operations. Answer: gynecological operations. The fourth state of matter is solid, liquid, plasma, gas. Answer: plasma. Which of the following is a mixed fertilizer? Urea, ammonium, sulfate, CAM, NPK. Answer: NPK. Cow milk is a rich source of vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, or vitamin D. Answer: vitamin A. Typhoid is a disease of liver, lungs, stomach, intestine. Answer: intestine. The tooth with 3 roots is molar, premolar, incisor, canine. Answer: molar. The saliva helps in digestion of proteins, fats, fibers, starch. Answer: proteins. Short-sightedness is due to shifting of the iris, weaker muscles, elongation of eyeballs, weakening of the retina. Answer: weakening of the retina. The weight of an average human male brain is about 1 kilogram, 1200 grams, 1350 grams, 1500 grams. Answer: 1500 grams. Which of the following diseases usually spreads through air? Plague, typhoid, tuberculosis, cholera. Answer: tuberculosis. Water has maximum density at 0 degrees Celsius, 4 degrees Celsius, 100 degrees Celsius, none of these. Answer: 4 degrees Celsius. The ozone layer in the upper part of the atmosphere protects us from visible radiations, infrared rays, ultraviolet rays, cosmic rays. Answer: ultraviolet rays. Aviation fuel for jet aeroplanes consists of purified petrol, kerosene, gasoline, diesel. Answer: gasoline. Which of the following is not a gland? Stomach, liver, kidney, pancreas. Answer: Stomach. Long distance photography is facilitated by visible light, X-rays, infrared rays, ultraviolet rays. Answer: X-rays. In fireworks, the green flame is produced because of mercury, sodium, potassium, barium. Answer: barium. Now, part 3 mathematics. The value of 2 minus within brackets 2 is. Answer: 0. If two angles of a triangle are 30 and 105, then the third angle will be. Answer: 45. What is the value of 7 divided by 9 of 45? Answer: 35. If 0.4z minus 3 divided by 1.5z plus 9 equal to minus 7 by 5, then find the value of z. The value of z is in the following options, none of these. Find the area of a playground of 300 meters length and 200 meters breadth. Answer: 60,000 square meters. If 8 men can do a piece of work in 15 days, then in how many days would 20 men do the same work? Answer: none of these. Students, pause the video and do it yourself and put the comments. What is the fractional value of 4.21? 421 by 100? Answer: find the value of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. Answer: 3 by 4. What is the square root of 0.0036? Answer: 0.06. Perimeter of a square is 1000 cm. Find one side of that square. Answer: 250 centimeters. 3 hours equal to how many minutes? Answer: 180. X plus 4 into x plus 5 equal to. Answer: x square plus 9x plus 20. If the average of 40, 10, 25, 20, 35 and x is 25, then the value of x is. Answer: 20. Simplify 81 into 81 plus 68 into 68 minus 2 into 81 into 68. Calculate and put the comments. Answer: 169. Area of square. Side by side, length into breadth, length into length, or 4 by side. Answer: side by side. Area of a rectangular ground is 12,500 square meters. Its length is 125 meters. Then, what is the perimeter? Its perimeter is 450 meters. If 10, 20, x and 40 are in a proportion, the value of x will be. Answer: 20. If 10th January 2004 is Tuesday, what will be the day on 10th January 2005? Answer: Thursday. A cyclist covers 12 kilometers in an hour. What is his speed in meters per minute? Answer: 200 meters per minute. Speed of 1 kilometer per hour is equal to. Answer: 1000 by 3600 meter per second. The cost of 18 bananas at the rate of 4 rupees per dozen will be. Answer: 6 rupees. 12 men or 18 women can reap a field in 14 days. 8 men and 16 women can reap the same field in. Answer: 6 days. The average of the height of 5 students having 8, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Answer: 50. At what rate percent per annum will a sum of money double in 8 years? Answer 12.5%. A man buys a toy for 1000 rupees and sells it for 1500. His gain percent is answer 50%. 3 hours and 45 minutes. How many seconds? Answer 13,500 seconds. 30% of 140 equal to x percent of 840. Then x is answer 5. Which one of the following is equivalent of 6 by 20? Answer 30%. The square root of 4096 by means of factors is answer 64. LCM of 2 into 3 into 5 and 3 into 5 into 7 is equal to answer 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. Thanks students. All the best for your exam. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe.